Hey Cam, did it work?
I want to see if I can get all of the crud off of the glass stovetop without using baking soda, so I'm going to try easy off. I'm going to run two tests. A cold side where I spray easy off without turning on the stove, and then a hot side where I turn on the stove, then apply easy off. The cold side is first. For the cold side, I simply spray on the easy off. Now for the hot side. I turn on the stove, wait several seconds for the stove to get hot. I'll let it warm up for about 15 seconds or so. Oh yeah, don't forget to wear a mask if you decide to try this. Turn off the stove, and then we spray. Beautiful smoke. So I'm going to let this sit for about an hour, and then we'll come back and see what we have. 1 hour later, I spray water to make it easier to remove the easy off to the cold side. Wow, look how easily it comes off. I spray with water again to get any remaining residue. And I'm going to do the exact same thing to the hot side, and I'll show you the results in a bit. I didn't do it here, but I will probably go in and use some glass top polish to give it some shine. I think both tests, the cold and the hot, did a good job. So I'm going to have to give both tests, a thanks for watching.